Hey everyone! In this video I'm unboxing the Fitbit Luxe. So here's the front of the box. We have the side of the box. Note how it includes both small and large size bands. Here's the back of the box, and I'll show you that zoomed in. And then the other side of the box. And this is the soft gold stainless steel case and lunar white band version. So on the back, we've got this little tab here. I'll go ahead and peel that off. And then we can just slide out. Okay, we got the Fitbit logo here. And kind of open it up like a book. And that's the initial view. And it says if you're new to Fitbit, download the app and create an account. If you have an account, tap your icon and get set up. If you want to learn how to set this up, I will be doing a video showing you how to set this up, so check that out in the description below or at the end of this video. And here's the Luxe itself with a little protective screen covering. This is the first time they've had the Fitbit logo, at least in white, that I remember. So, take this off. And that does look pretty nice. Alright, so this is not the first Fitbit with some stainless steel, but it is the first Fitbit that has a completely stainless steel case. It is the first Fitbit tracker with a color screen, so that's exciting. So it looks like there's some stainless steel here on the keeper portion of the band. And show off the back here. It does feel like a pretty premium tracker. It does feel a little bit heavier than the other trackers. Let me go ahead and put this on my wrist just to show you. The band itself is made out of a nice quality silicone. So there it is on my wrist. I do like the look of that. I think you can see the bezels there are pretty big. The screen's only about this width from the top of my thumb, so there will be a lot of black space. But that's what it looks like on. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we lift up here. Alright, then we have power and style. So I guess we lift up this. And then we also get a quick start guide. Wow. It's kind of hard to get these papers out. Maybe that doesn't come out. Alright, welcome to the Fitbit family. If you have questions, visit myhelp.fitbit.com/go. Alright. Also have a quick start guide, charge 100%. Looks like they are giving some more information than they have in the past. Now this says product information, but that is just a safety and warranty type stuff. So there's still not a full quick start guide in the box, but have no fear, I will be doing plenty of videos showing you how to use this Fitbit. So if you have any questions about your Fitbit, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, this is very interesting. Guess we lift this up. Guess not. Oh, I guess you could slide it out. Alright, there. So there's the charger. I guess we can slide this out too. Okay, that was a little bit different. Alright, so we've got the large band and the charger. Let me go ahead and take this off. Alright, so the charger is definitely longer than the other Inspire version chargers. We still have a USB type A on one side. We have a little button here because the Luxe itself doesn't actually have any buttons, so if you need to reset your tracker and it's not responding, you'll use this little button and pressing and holding. And it looks like it's a magnetic charger here. Fairly slim profile. So let me go ahead and just briefly show you how that works. You need to align the gold cables here with the gold cables here. And it is strong enough that it should stay on. And you just plug this into a compatible USB power source. Does not do quick charging. And then as far as changing bands, looks like it's an easier mechanism this time. So I think we just, yeah, okay. Alright, well that was intuitive, didn't really take any figuring out, so it looks like you just press this in away from the tracker, and then you can see it's disengaged, and then you just pull this out. It's very simple. So that's what the attachment mechanism looks like. It's definitely a new system than any other Fitbit. Alright, and then I think you kind of just squeeze it back in. And then maybe pull down, or maybe it's that one, I'm not exactly sure. Okay. Went back in. I don't know exactly what you do, you just kind of push it in until it locks, and then tug on it to make sure it's in there securely. So it is a little bit different than any other Fitbit tracker before it, so it might take a few tries to get used to, but I really am liking this stainless steel case. Alright, so that's what you get in the box. Note that you only have one side of the band to replace for small versus large. You don't get two of these top pieces, and you get the charging cable. So just to show, I have a Inspire 2 here, and they are very similar in their looks, but the bands are a little bit more flush with the tracker itself, and the Luxe here in gold is about 0.1 millimeters thinner than the Inspire 2. So from the side profile, it does look pretty thin. So this might be even better to wear to sleep if you are wondering about that. It does feel a little heavier though because of the stainless steel, whereas the Inspire 2 is a plastic case. So that is definitely noticeable. Alright, so that's my unboxing of the Fitbit Luxe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be doing plenty more videos on the Luxe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Fitbit Luxe videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.